Rainbow of Sounds Music School kepada nak senang Maubri Riboy District kepada perlong sisin citayo hak sisa jany Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri kedan bunjai tirukom hikai hak liang ka tem kaput bat karwai ke siau keyboard, gitar, western vocal, Indian classical vocal, kasi instruments bat kasi vocal kikena akibahan nyos dem senang kila banwan pentebit hak neg music school bat amdan jinge nagam tai larang baru banwan pentebit hak neg music school Nagadau bagi company kila pet no bat I siteng leti ban senai surok shelong dauki ka NHI DCL kala rai ban khot tendar biang sejesin ong ba perston tersong. Uba perston tersong beri sembut menteri rangba aga jelang beri pejru ia ketenan PWD u laitu bagi benta bahap ha song ke panengkong ke basau bat ke basan jo kene surok on khot tendar biang sejesin kat ba ye ke company ARSS lawang no. Uba perston tensong mulai tu ru ba la syong jilang mentang sengi ban bisyar yak jian jung kam kijam bat la batha ru ban pikir bah ha ki benta jong surok ki bakham jumi bah ki jing tua bat bante lakam khamtam ha kene ke por ke bajur slam bat ki bor ki beri pej ki depan long ki bakloi ban pan aplupa ban mare wut ha baja ki kene ki jing tua ya ka song ke banengkong ke basau bat ke basan jong surok shlong dauki on khot tendar biang shen daga NHI DCL ong ba perston tensong ha bakran ha kelap tai ke bor Ya kene surok shelong dauki labai tengka daga Japan International Corporation lane ke JICA bat ulai turu bagasong ke banengkong ke bahap na serpi hadu banyun kandon ru ya ke jingshana ya ke surok sun lane ke flyover
project of JICA from Shillong Dauki and we also discussed because there is PIL against the progress of work of the Shillong Dauki route di wilayah discuss lut nasional hakaba ka package 1 then ka package 4 package 5 kini ya ka retendering process na kalian jongka NHIDCL again we discuss about the landslide prone area where we identified few deplorable one how to take care of this coming monsoon because it's so dangerous. So we already discussed all the details. Then the technical people from NDSL, they will prepare the plan, the action plan, how to go about it, and how to also make sure that the dedicated team for any emergency work, it has to be there 24/7. This is what we discussed today.
What about action against the contractor?
Sorry?
In that incident?
Sorry?
Action against the contractor?
Well, you know, I was informed by the NHIDCL that it seems cancellation has already done against this ARSS due to the poor progress of work. So the head office of NHIDCL, they already terminated the contract agreement with the ARSS. Kadai ka package 2 ka bangun ka banadu nang mina melim area terter hadu ang teha rum beruslah hadu beruslah suaban poi beruslah hadu untuk bagi ong ka bypass beruslah kani kadika flyover ka nadu na serpi full lane hadu ang teha po banyun hadu waktu ka opposite jog tu ka PHC banyun